Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, your sunny escape to fresh, wholesome dishes inspired by the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean.
Hello, today's recipe is truly delightful. You'll be surprised how it's easy to make.
Okay, my friend, let's dive into it.
Imagine stepping into a cozy farm kitchen, the air filled with the aromas of fresh vegetables and herbs. Sunlight streams through the window, illuminating bowls brimming with vibrant produce, ready to be transformed into a delicious and nourishing meal. Today we're making carrot and ginger soup, a vibrant and flavorful dish that's as comforting as it is easy to prepare. This simple soup is perfect for a light lunch or a hearty starter. The sweetness of the carrots blends beautifully with the spicy kick of ginger, creating a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. But it's not just the taste that makes this soup a winner, it's packed with nutrients too. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this recipe is for you. Let's gather our ingredients and embark on a culinary journey that's as simple as it is satisfying. Before we begin, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about a pound of carrots, their bright orange hue promising a burst of sweetness. Choose carrots that are firm to the touch and free from blemishes. Next, we'll need a knob of fresh ginger, about an inch or two. Ginger is known for its invigorating aroma and spicy warmth, adding a delightful zing to our soup. Look for ginger root that's plump and smooth with tight skin. We'll also need a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, a staple in any farm kitchen. The olive oil will add richness and depth of flavor to our soup. And of course, no soup is complete without a good pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of our ingredients. Finally, you'll need about 4 cups of vegetable broth to bring everything together. The broth will provide a flavorful base for our soup, infusing it with savory depth. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's begin transforming them into a pot of golden goodness. First, wash and chop the carrots into evenly sized rounds. This will ensure that they cook uniformly, resulting in a smooth and velvety soup. Next, peel and finely chop the ginger. Place a large pot over medium heat and add the olive oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add the chopped carrots and ginger, stirring gently to coat them in the warm oil. Sauté the carrots and ginger for about 5 minutes, allowing their aromas to mingle and fill your kitchen with an inviting fragrance. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, stirring to incorporate. Next, pour in the vegetable broth, ensuring that the carrots and ginger are fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Allow the soup to simmer gently for about 20 minutes, or until the carrots are tender. While our soup simmers away, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible health benefits packed into this simple dish. Carrots, with their vibrant orange color, are a powerhouse of vitamin A, crucial for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. They're also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. Ginger, our other star ingredient, has been used for centuries for its potent medicinal properties. It's known to soothe nausea, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Ginger's warming properties can also help to relieve congestion and soothe sore throats. By combining these two nutritional powerhouses, we're creating a soup that's not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. It's the perfect meal to nourish your body from the inside out. After simmering, the carrots should be perfectly tender. Now comes the fun part, blending the soup to a smooth and creamy consistency. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or carefully transfer the soup in batches to a standing blender. Once the soup is completely smooth, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want to add a touch more salt, pepper, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. Ladle the soup into bowls and serve it hot. This simple carrot and ginger soup is a testament to the fact that healthy and delicious can go hand in hand. With its vibrant flavor, comforting warmth, and ease of preparation, it's a recipe you'll find yourself coming back to time and time again. Enjoy!